Let's understand from our technical experts that how are they positioning themselves in this kind of market. Dr. C.K. Narayan, Kunal Bothra and Manas Jaiswal as always are joining us. Good morning, gentlemen. Dr. Narayan, interesting set of names. Tata Communication, what exactly happened on intraday basis? Stock opened down substantially, then there was a sharp pullback in early morning only, and we did see decent volumes. That's a buy call for you. And though most of the OMCs are showing signs of bounce back, and Chennai Petro too, in last 3-4 trading sessions did show, couple of times that it is bouncing back from lower levels. But last trading session there was some selling. You think that is good enough to generate a short call?
Good morning, everybody. Yes, coming to Tata Chemicals, I think we saw some extra robust price action on Friday. I think possibly that was a response to some results numbers, and perhaps initially they were misread, and subsequently the market or the players in Tata Communication corrected themselves by pushing the stock quite decisively higher, creating a pretty long range bar on that day with a top finish. And I think since that is coming at the end of a decline, of a corrective decline, that is, I would believe that it constitutes a buy signal, at least in the near term. And it is with that in mind that I am recommending a buy in Tata Communication at the current price of around 635, 636. I think at the very minimum it should retrace back to about 645, 650 price zone. So one could go along with a stop place south of 630. Chennai Petro I'm taking as a kind of a contra sell trade. Contra in the sense that most of the OMC names seem to be trying to put together a rally of sorts, and they even went through that consolidation phase breakout to the upside. This is true for all HP, BP, IOC. All of them did so with a reasonable degree of conviction. But on the other hand, Chennai Petro, for whatever reason, I think the results were not up to the market satisfaction, but that was a couple of days ago. But after that, after that reading, I think the market took a review of the results perhaps, and decided that Chennai Petro does not warrant similar treatment like the other petroleum stocks, and therefore it seems to be deciding to push it down. It's now all set to challenge the lows near 290, 293. Current price 295.96. I would recommend a short, stop loss at 301, targeting 289 for the day, or even lower if it closes below that.
Tata Communication and sell Chennai Petro, calls from Dr. C.K. Narayan. Kunal, Infosys, yesterday's move or last trading session move within consolidation band was positive, but not backed by any significant volumes in cash or futures market, and neither any position created. Why are you giving Infosys as a buy call? And as Street today awaits HUL number, Colgate is something which you have shortlisted to going long in. We did see, a lot of accumulation in May series of positions, but then it was more of consolidation with slight negative bias. You think this movement which has started in Colpal, say on Friday's trading session, would continue for some more time?
Seems like Siddharth. So I'll start off with Infosys. Yes, I think the volumes data are a bit muted. I think since last 1 week odd, but the chart patterns or the price pattern is quite bullish in nature, because the way the stock entered into this consolidation was onto a rising volume and a rising price trend. So I'm expecting that once this consolidation is over, which if you can spot on the daily charts, it's just about chugging along the 50-day moving average since last few days. So I think that should be considered bullish in terms of implications, and the breakout I believe could happen on the upside, given the kind of volume robust patterns the stock had seen few weeks back. So that's a buy at 1250 as a target which I'm eyeing on the stock. Stop loss at 1145. And Colpal is a buy. The stock bounced from the 200-day moving average just a few trading sessions back, and I think that's indicating that the stock could restart a short-term uptrend. So that's a buy again from a very short-term perspective. Targets of 1140. Stop loss to be kept at 1095.
And lastly, Manas, HDFC Bank, though we are talking about how Nifty is just 3% away from its all-time high, HDFC Bank made a new all-time high, strong price action, decent built-up, and this is one stock which we all look forward to take directions. Where will Bank Nifty move? That's a buy for you at these higher levels. And from same space, but from PSU name, PNB is a sell, gave away important support. You think PSU banks would continue their downward trend?
Good morning, Siddharth. So you can take it as an individual trade, Siddharth, or you can take it as a pair trade, because one is at 52-week high and one is at 52-week low. So HDFC Bank is still looking very strong because stock has broken the resistance of 1980 on the weekly chart. So this is a clear breakout on the weekly chart. Stock is still looking very strong because on the daily chart, stock is still making higher tops and higher bottoms. So I think the possibility is very high that you may see higher levels even from current levels. So here my target would be around 2050 and the stopper should be 1994. And in PNB, because stock was trying to make a base near to 90 rupees for last, I think, 2.5 months. And on Friday, it broke that support also. So I think here you may see more weakness. Here the target would be around 85 rupees and the stopper should be 91 rupees. And both the calls is for next 2 to 3 trading sessions, not more than that.